In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase an item on Aliexpress using a gift card. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just getting started, Aliexpress offers a myriad of options that can cater to all your shopping needs. Let's unpack the process to ensure your experience is seamless and enjoyable. To begin, we'll start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Aliexpress website. If you have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new to Aliexpress, setting up an account is straightforward. Just follow the prompts. Having an account will save your preferences and provide a more personalized shopping experience. Once logged in, you're ready to dive into the vast marketplace that Aliexpress offers. From electronics to fashion and everything in between, take your time exploring to find the perfect item that piques your interest. After browsing, and once you've set your sights on an item that you'd like to purchase, click on it to view its details. Here, you can check important information such as customer reviews, shipping options, and seller ratings. These details are crucial as they can help you make an informed decision. Once you're satisfied with your selection, it's time to proceed to the checkout process. On the checkout page, you'll see various payment options available. This is where the magic of using your gift card happens. Look for the payment method section and choose the option to add a new card. You're setting up to use your gift card for this transaction, so have your gift card ready. Input the gift card details carefully, ensuring there are no mistakes with the card number, expiry date, or security code. Any errors could delay processing, so double-check everything. Once you've entered all your gift card information, confirm the payment option and proceed to finalize your purchase. Before you hit the final button to confirm your order, review all the details once more to ensure everything looks good, especially the shipping address and product quantities. If everything checks out, click to complete your order. Congratulations, you're all set. You've successfully made a purchase using a gift card on Aliexpress. Now all that's left is to wait for your package to arrive. Remember to keep track of your order through the Aliexpress platform. You can monitor your order status, shipment progress, and estimated delivery date right from your account. This way, you'll know exactly when to expect your new purchase at your doorstep. As we wrap up, I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your next shopping experience on Aliexpress. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more guides like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for the latest tips and tricks. Happy shopping!